It's time to upgrade your coffee game with the new Vitantonio Schermo super automatic espresso machine. After plugging in the unit, add water into the water tank and whole beans into the hopper. Time to turn on the machine. The easy-to-use touchscreen will indicate when ready after warming up. Push espresso for a perfectly authentic Italian espresso. The Schermo makes up to 18 customizable drinks, including a hot water feature. Other features include built-in 4-setting grinder, automatic milk frother, large drip tray and easy-to-clean brew unit. Enjoy.